Yes, good afternoon, members of the press and the colleagues. My name is Ronald Nyakweba. I'm the CC for Medical Services, Public Health and Sanitation, Kisii County Government. Today, we have called you here. As you can see, I'm accompanied by my CEO, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. I have my chief officer here, the Department of Health. I have the members of the union. KMBDU is here, and Nurses Union is here. Kuko is here, the Clinic Officers Union is also present. They are here on behalf of the rest of the unions that we have in the county. As we pronounced ourselves 2 weeks ago, we had indicated that the Kisii County Government is in the process working towards taking care of the welfare of not only health workers, but also the officers across all the departments that are working for the county government of Kisii. His Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Hon Simba Arati, was elected on the platform of change and fighting for the welfare of the workers of this county. And he gave this promise during the campaigns, and indeed, time has come that now, since he joined office, he has been actualizing these promises that he made. And one of the critical promises that he made was fighting for the welfare of the workers of the county. The very fruitful engagements in the past 1 or 2 weeks, where all the issues that they raised have been canvassed, discussed, and amicably agreed. And it is is because of that reason that we started working on the process that we began with, which is basically looking at the promotions of the common cadres, and we have also those competitive cadres, which was one of the issues that they raised. So today, we are happy that we have discussed and agreed that the officers collectively, or the unions collectively, have agreed to call off the strike that was intended to begin on 1st of October 2024. This strike has been called off, and therefore, for the same reason that we have agreed on basically the issues that I have raised, one which was very dear to them was about promotions. As I have indicated, the process has begun. Letters are going to come out in the course of the week for the people who are officers who are going to benefit, which cuts across the nurses, clinic officers, public health officers, doctors, all the cadres across, even the officers working in the support services departments within the department. So guys, people of Kisii, we are happy that this strike has been called off unconditionally for obvious reasons that as a family of Kisii County, we have sat, we have discussed, we have agreed with this team, and I want to promise as the Kisii Health and the Office of the Governor that we shall continue to engage our officers, because when we speak, of course, where there is dialogue, there is always peace. And dialogue will always continue being the bedrock for our engagement with our team. So my doors as the CC of the department are open for any discussion for all officers, not only the unions, all my officers across the 161 facilities. They are free to visit any time in my office, and any officer who is in charge, they are free to visit and share any concerns that they have, if those concerns are meant to improve on our service delivery. So, ladies and gentlemen, watu wetu wa Kisii, the strike has been called off, and we want to promise, and I want to promise my brothers who are here, that whatever that we discuss and agreed will be implemented in totality. That is the commitment I'm making, and I'm making this commitment because we agreed, and we are going to solve these issues amicably. God bless you. Thank you so much. Yes. Can you also hear from the union? A representative. You can start. Okay.
Thank you so much. My name's Eric Rioba, Chairperson, Kenya National Union of Nurses. We want to state categorically that we have had a very fruitful engagement for the last few weeks. And as a union and unions that are represented here, we have agreed to extend time of the strike for 30 days. So that the remaining 30 days, the government can have ample time to work on it the issues that are remained. And I want to tell our members across board that from this week, that's what we have agreed. Dispatchment of promotion letters are going to come out. Reinstatement of nurses is on the process, and probably we have engaged them and we have agreed. Those are issues of salaries, issues of redesignations, and all the issues that the strike was to tackle within these 30 days is reasonably well that the government will work on it, because as by where we stand as unions, the government has done around 90%, 10% which is remaining. Definitely it will be the work of the government to do it within that days. For those members, we kindly advise that we continue offering services across board as we wait the progress from the government side, and within that days we'll sit down with the government and review. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you. I don't want to repeat what my colleague has said, and Waziri. Mine is to tell the patients not to be worried. Keep visiting our public health facilities. Services will be offered as we wish. The county is going to meet all the offers they have offered. That's all we hope for. Thank you.